Hello, Zainey friends. I am Laney.
And I'm the other guy.
What is your name?
Marshall.
Hi, this is part 3 of our March and April unboxings, and right now we have Boxycharm, which is our most expensive at $21. However, it is probably the one we have the most value, which is why I continue to get it. Even if I don't like everything in the box, it's totally worth it. Right? Right. The March box has a theme of vacation. It's funny, see? Sorry.
Okay.
Alright. Go ahead and pull out those objects and let's talk about it.
Let's get moving here. Okay, so we've got big time volume from, it is Butter London Stroke of Wow Volumizing Mascara.
The retail price is $20, which is basically how much the box is. It says the brush has mega volume, lengthen, and define your lashes, which I hope is true because I have short, stubby lashes, but stroke of wow. I'm excited to try this, I think. I like trying new mascaras. If you've seen my video, I try to do some comparisons of different products that are things that I have issues with. For example, I have done a video about mascaras for short and stubby lashes, so if you're interested in that, you know, I have that. So that one I definitely want to try. I haven't heard of it, so yes. I'm a little talky, sorry. Go ahead, next one. Ooh, yes.
This is Pretty Vulgar Make Them Blush in Prim Vixen.
The retail price of this is $26. When Pretty Vulgar first came onto the scene, I really wanted to buy this legitimately just for the packaging, but I was very skeptical because I had bought the first palette and it was nice, I liked it, but I just never found myself using it, so I was like, should I even purchase this? So getting it in the box, I'm super excited for this.
I really like that package.
Because it's very, and it is kind of magnetic, but it also has a closure, and it is a very nice pink color, very bright. I will definitely wear this. I'm excited for this, like beyond excited for this.
Self-Made 3 eye gel packs for reducing puffiness, dark circles, and moisturizes the eye area.
And retail price is $10, and so that's about 3 for each gel pack, which, you know, I get sheet masks for $3, so I guess in the grand scheme of things it's not as expensive, but it still seems pricey for under eye gel masks for me, which is why I like getting these. I am happy for this because I ran out. I only have a few more eye gel masks left, so I am glad for this. So yeah, happy.
Vintage Cosmetic Company Smoky Eye Brush Kit.
The retail value is $23.15. 15 cents, that seems random. I really love the packaging of this. I like how it is kind of throwback 50s, 60s. The brushes themselves seem pretty standard. You have your like domed flat brush, you've got a little bit longer shading brush, and it looks like you've got, ooh, I like that one. This is kind of a smaller brush that you can use for smudging. So it says there's a shadow brush. Does it say on there like which one is which?
Step 1 for the money, which is...
That's awesome.
And then step 2 for the shadow. Step 3, go girl go. Okay,
so step 1 is the regular shadow brush to sweep a light shimmery color all over your lids. Step 2 is the angled shadow brush, which is that one. Work into the creases of your eyelid and outer corners. And the smudger brush, number 3, can be used to blend the two shades together. Interesting. So I like that they used those brushes in there, yeah.
Yeah.
I always like more brushes.
And really, honestly, we still have one item left to go, but the packaging on each of these items has been really nice.
It really has been.
It's got lots of impact to its graphics. Ooh, hi.
I also got a 25% off coupon for Butter London, which expires in July. I don't get a lot from Butter London.
Yeah, especially considering like you didn't even know that this was coming up.
Yeah, so, exactly.
Okay, and so it's a mystery box. Let's find out. Boxycharm and Pure. So
they, Boxycharm partnered with Pure. This is the Complexion Authority. Pure the Complexion Authority is the name of the company altogether. I didn't know that. This is an eyeshadow palette. For the retail price is $36. I actually really like the colors on this one. You know, some of the other Pure palettes that I've gotten have been like, oh look, all browns. And more browns, and more browns. But this one, I actually really like the pops of blue and pink in here.
I think they derived the name of the box from this because you have Bay right here.
Yes.
But then there's also one here that's called Perfect.
Perfect. That's
the
awesome.
way that they spell pure on
Okay.
this.
Right.
There's also like you can't see it, but there's a texture on there
of little hearts and little diagonal hearts. I am actually excited for this palette. This is usually I really like it when they give us palettes in the Boxycharms, but lately I've noticed that if they're really like all browns, I've just been like, nope, not having it. So I am glad for this one, like super glad. So this, I'm going to tell you what I like while he tells me how he's better at math quicker than I am. I'm tell you what I like. So definitely the palette. I love, actually I'm going to say I love everything, and I love how they made it all to go together. So you could use the brushes with the eyeshadow palette and the mascara. This is obviously skincare, so you need it for something else. And then the blush, which you need another brush for, but it's almost a full face. They did not give me a freaky brown lip product, and I am thankful for that. I think I'm going to use all 5 of these things.
The MSRP value of all of these things combined is $115.15.
And you're paying $20. Definitely worth the value.
Yeah.
Definitely worth the value. So that is the May box. Let us jump over to the April box. Now they did something a little bit different in April. So normally you get like a card, like just the one card or whatever, but this one came with like a little booklet. On the back it has a couple offers, one from Tarte and one from Dr. Brandt, and it looks like the theme is eye candy, and there are some people on here. They look like they probably are YouTubers or Instagram influencers of some type, but yeah. Let's go into this. I'm actually kind of excited for this box, to be honest.
Tarteist Pro Glow liquid highlighter. Okay,
I don't really like liquid highlighters that much. The MSRP is $29. What it looks like it did was it had these influencers and then it tells you who likes what. So this is Joelle's fave, and I don't know which one Joelle is because it doesn't tell me what their real names are. There's Valentina, Debbie, Joe, Phoenix, that's probably Joelle, Barbie DeLuca, and Angela Ayala. So this one in the middle, this is her favorite. This one right here.
Yeah. It doesn't actually show you the shade in there.
It says, it looks like you could get 3 different shades. You know, I think I already tried this a little bit. But that is the shade. It is a kind of a gold color. It is beautiful. What I do not like about it is how it's settling into the crack of my hand. And if it's going to do that, it's probably going to settle into the crack of my aging skin a little bit too. And even just dabbing it, it fades. So I'm not sure if I like that or not. The color is very beautiful. It's in the color Exposed. So I don't know how I feel about that, honestly.
Okay. This is Ades New York high definition liquid lipstick, and it is. Gotta open this bad boy.
So this is Debbie D makeup. That's her fave. This is. It's supposed to be a luxury, long-wearing liquid lipstick, cruelty-free, gluten-free, and paraben-free. Again, it's kind of a dark color, but I don't know if it's going to be a bad color for me. Let's see.
It's kind of peachy.
Yeah, that's not going to be a good color for me. Okay, so I'm definitely going to pass this on. I just don't like the color.
Not only that, like, literally nowhere does it tell you what shade it is.
Not at all. It really doesn't. MSRP for this one is $24, which for a high-end liquid lipstick is kind of, it's appropriate. That's what happens.
Okay. The Brow Gal, Tanya Crooks, the instant brown hair. So this is actually in a brown shade, but this is a brown. An eyebrow. It's
a brow mascara.
Yeah.
MSRP is $22, and this is Barbie DeLuca's fave. This chick right here. I do like this. I think I would have to crack it open to see if it's the correct color for me because I have taupey light brows and not brown. This one, it's Brown Hair 02. I'll have to check and see what the color is before I open it up, just to be on the safe side. I do like the brown gel though, so I'm probably happy for that. I don't know.
This is Dr. Brandt's vacuum cleaner. Okay, this is a Pores No More purifying mask.
The MSRP of this is $47. As we know, the only way that I ever try Dr. Brandt is when I get it in a Boxycharm because it is so freaking expensive. This is Angela's fave. She's the one on the end here. This is a pore refining mask. So it's a mask. So here's my... Dr. Brandt has some good stuff. I enjoy using it. It's not my favorite, but whatever. The fact that it's a mask that you put on and then have to wash off is also not my favorite. I don't normally like those. I like peel off or sheet masks just because I'm busy and I don't have a lot of time to like sit there and then rinse and then get it all over me. I just don't have the time. So I like it, but I'm kind of like, okay, whatever. It's fine. However, it is very expensive. I might pass that on though. I might. All right, what is the last thing, which I'm actually the most excited for?
This is the ColourPop Semi-Precious.
I don't have this one yet, if you can believe it. I have so many ColourPops. I don't have this one. This one says that the MSRP is $26. I don't really believe it.
Okay, and I like the names of these colors because it is very, very nerdy.
Yeah?
I'll give you that box there.
All right. Oh, okay, so it is very, like, star. We have Celestial, Beam Me Up, Easy Go, Up and Atom, A-T-O-M, West Star, Bashful, Upon a Star, and The Game.
Yeah, so this is West Star right here, and it's a very West, Wild Wild West kind of color. Mm-hmm. Now, these do kind of, it feels very browny, very, very, you know, normal skin kind of tones, except that they do add in all these other colors. You can't really see it all that well through there, but all of these are shimmer shades. Mm-hmm. So I kind of like that. I do too. It's one of those that I can take with my all matte palettes and use with the shimmers to add a pop of color. I do like this one. I probably would not have bought this for myself because it's all shimmer and I tend to like multitaskers, but I'm glad I got this one. I don't believe that it's $26 MSRP because usually they're between $16 and $20, but I have seen them for this amount. It could be. It could be possible that it's $26. All right. Go ahead and do the math while I talk about how I feel. Obviously loving this. This is probably my favorite thing in here. I like the brow, kind of, and the rest of the other three items in here I'm not 100% sure about. I probably will try at least this highlighter to see how I like it, but these other two things I'm definitely passing along. So even so, just the cost of the box would be the cost of that palette, so I'm okay with that. It's $126.
So it's still a very good value for your money. But I'm excited. If, like, last year they had this let's get a palette in every box thing, and I am excited whether I keep the palette or not. So I hope they continue that tradition of every month we get a new palette to try. That would be amazing. Boxycharm, amazing. Please comment down below and let us know how you feel about it. If you are interested in Boxycharm, I do have a link down below. It is affiliate. I get some stuff. I think you get a discount if you use it too. So if you're interested, check that down. If you don't want to use it, I don't care. I mean, it's nice for me, but I don't care. Up here, I'm going to put a little unboxing playlist for you, and right here, subscribe. And what else, Marshall?
Notifications. Just lovingly stroke that notification button.
Oh.
just give it a hug. A little hug and kiss it. I love you.
That way you can be notified if we ever do like live videos, which we might actually do, and then you can be like, oh, I'm on. It's happening. But thank you so much for watching, and until next time.
Stay zany.